We're gonna have to take off this caliper bolt, and there's one on the bottom. Take that off. Take this off. I want it tight on there, so I went ahead and routed this electrical wire through. Take these little snaps, don't get rid of these. I don't think your new ones come with them. So you're gonna need those. So take them out. It's literally just on the back side. So when you get these, you can get them at Harbor Freight or whatever. You just hit this off, hammer hit it, but they're already loose. Tighten this with the 17. Front, back. Probably should have did this before I put them on. Wipe them down. Try not to breathe that in. Pretty harsh. Take this old clip out. Like that. Snap it in place. So this one in here. Put it in place. Just gonna go in the back. Set that one in bottom first. Like that. So one goes on here. One on top, one on bottom. Keeps them together. Okay, so this caliper, since this is pushed out a little bit, it's not the same width as the new pads. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to push this back in. You're just pushing that caliper back in. Sometimes it gets seated back where it needs to be. You can put it on, over, up. Put your top bolt in, caliper bolt. The new rotors in, new brakes, and we'll see you on the next video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe. See you on the next one. Take care.